Are you tired of spending hours building a website for your business only to end up frustrated with the results? Well, you're not alone. Durable takes the hassle out of website creation by automating the entire process. Here's how it works. First, simply choose the type of business you have. Next, enter your business location and name. This helps Durable personalize your website even further, ensuring that it accurately reflects your brand identity. Now, click on the Generate Website button and watch as Durable works its magic. In a matter of seconds, your website will be ready for preview. But what if you want to make some changes to the design or layout? No problem. Durable makes it easy to customize your website to your liking. You can regenerate the background image, and to change the style of a section, simply click on the Restyle button. You can revise the heading text, add a button with a link to the page, phone number, email, or section, change the background color, and regenerate images. If you want, you can enter a new heading and even set images as background. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save and then Preview to see how your website looks with the updates. And when you're ready, click Publish to make your website live for the world to see. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to an effortless online presence. Try Durable today.